Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, October 21st, 2010 am. Once this series is completed, according to the circumstances, we will give our point of view on such and such an event or question that it will possibly raise in you. This series will constitute the fabric of a collection called Reflections. It will enable us to remain in contact with our medium and to make those who so wish benefit from it. With time, these contacts will aim more particularly to testify to our love for her as well as those who appreciate them. On both sides, it is not easy to stop this heart to heart. It has created very strong bonds and maintained a flame which is nowhere near dying out. This master to disciple relationship knows no end. Don't be sad, my dear daughter. We know what these contacts mean to you. They are the expression of what binds us. Don't worry, this strong bond has nothing to do with the precariousness of human relations. It has outlived successive lives and it brings us to this special relationship, although we did not meet physically in this one. We will continue to advance in this way of love that is driving force of it. It is the most beautiful thing which remains when all dross has disappeared. Babuji. Sunday, October 22nd, 2008 am. Pure hearts will see in our relationship what must exist between a master and his most fervent disciples. It is made of love, comprehension, and, as far as you are concerned, a touching state of surrender which commands indulgence. That is not common in our candidates. Many are sincere and their efforts tend towards this state. This research is an important element of their process. Innate in some people, others find it more difficult to reach in spite of their being very regular in their practice. Each one must follow his own specific path. To search with sincerity is a good means of uniting oneself with the inner master by scrupulously following the instructions of the spiritual master of your choice. Our way can bring you to the highest level. You should therefore have faith in your guide and advance with fervor and devotion towards the goal. You have all our encouragement for that and especially the assistance you need. Be fervent and determined. Faith cannot be tepid. If this is the case, you should review your objectives and act on them. Your efforts will be rewarded. It is for your benefit that you are working. You have all our blessings. Thus is this epilogue completed. Babuji. God, give me such a love that I don't know anymore where I am, that I am lost away from myself against my own will, that yesterday mingles with today, that I would become only that desire that no image satisfies. Take me, remove me from myself, and finally fill me with you. Yunus Emre.